The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 actually blows away the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in one very important key metrics. As you know, one of the things that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 has better than the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra is the processor. The Z Fold 4 has a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and the S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so Z Fold 4 has the more up-to-date newer processors. It lasted longer than the S22 Ultra in the battery drain test, despite the Z Fold 4 having 600 mAh battery fewer capacity. Not only that, it's also much more fluid and faster than the S22 Ultra. Z Fold 4 new display brings new durability and more brightness compared to the Z Fold 3, yes. Z Fold 4 is the really good update. The biggest is the new cameras and amazing battery life. Even though we get the same battery, 4400 mAh, the phone works way better than the last generation, Z Fold 3. If you use your phone full day and do heavy tasks on it, after 20 hours of usage, Z Fold 4 will be standing 10%, with 4 hours of screen on time. Z Fold 4 comes with an Android 12L, which brings enhancements to multitasking and usability on larger device, such as foldable smartphones. One of them is the Microsoft Windows-like taskbar at the bottom, because it's not a new feature since the Z Fold 3 already has it. There's the Samsung Z Fold 4 range, the kings of productivity. Since the first Galaxy Fold, I've loved the big screen for productivity. From regular smartphone to tablet with a simple unfolding, this Fold 4 and the Fold before it had been the perfect companion for portable productivity. I say this with every generation of the Fold, but since the early years of the Galaxy Note, I wondered what Samsung long-term plans was for multitasking. Samsung has a performance profile on Z Fold 4, which means you can either go as a standard or light mode. Now out of the box, Z Fold 4 was set to light mode for long-lasting battery. Even after putting Z Fold 4 on light mode, it's still performance better than the Z Fold 3, so you have a better idea how good it is. The Fold 4 unfolds before the culmination of more than a decade of perfecting mobile productivity. Samsung has stolen a huge march over any competitor when it comes to multitasking on mobile devices. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 didn't get a 108-megapixel sensor like the S22 Ultra, but with the 50-megapixel camera, Z Fold 4 performs well, since no other foldable are close to Z Fold 4, at least in the United States. So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.